Guys, so only pantalan guys, look. May kuha na tayo guys. Pero si mama to guys dito eh. Ayan ho. Okay mama, yan. Guys ho. Yan Erbing. Big mama na guys oh. May fisherman guys oh. Si Paps oh, smile oh. Yan, mayroon ako dun sa sasakyan guys. Pero ito lang muna guys. Kumpisa naman natin guys oh. Kaya dito lang sa Pantala. Let's go lang guys. Si mama naghihintay kay papa. Hihihi. Slow lang guys but swalay. But slowly. Ayan guys oh. Wala pang maputi kasi guys. Malakapas. Not bad din kay Papa Jerry guys. Continuous natin yan guys. Guys so. Only here in the Joe. I tell you only the Pantalan Joe. You can catching in the maputi Joe. Yeah. See they look. Ayun no. Right. See that Joe? Good size Joe. That's what I tell you, Joe. Easy to catch. Right. And another one fisherman. Si Joe. Mamaya maputi ko may already going 8 pieces Joe. May like 30 pieces. Garansado. Over. Maybe over. Guys. After to drop to the my pieces to the Toyota. I go straight in Pantalan because I go doon I try to napag but nothing maputi. That place I come back to the Silang Canoa and then pass by in the sun. Silang Canoa and pass by the Pantalan again guys and this is it. Let's go to my car because I put this my fish guys because like how many fish inside already still alive. Okay, continuous ko lang guys guys tama puti guys oh. Very strong. Yan guys mamamiha ganyan lang guys. Mas a lot maputi in the Pantalan guys. See? Good size na yan, not bad na yan guys. Pantalan again yesterday in the PIC, but this time back to the Pantalan guys. Only the Pantalan still have now guys. Si Juni ang customer natin ngayon guys. May katatapos lang niya guys katawag sa akin guys. May kumagat agad nga maputi umorder sa akin ng 7 pounds. Kaya maghuli tayo ng 7 pounds ngayon guys. I want to catch in the 7 pounds because we have the customer today to buy 7 pounds mama. That's why mama you love see today. Ipakita ko sa iyo mama guys kung ilang 7 pounds Napat na nga guys. Mga ganyan kalaki. Sino mo magbibigay sa iyo ng isda ang ganyan guys kalalaki guys. Malaki guys. Si Manong yan lang guys sa atin guys. May 7 pounds tayong order ngayon. Kaya good job na yan. Alright guys. Already 4:30. At least I want to stay but I'm tired already guys. As I next project guys. Because maybe tomorrow I'm busy because after I drop to the Toyota and I go back to the Pantalan and try the fishing guys and somebody calling me to order this eye catching. See my video and like 7 pounds. I tried guys. See, this is my catching today. At least mayroon tayong huli ngayon sa araw ito after the Toyota guys. Right? Continuous ko na to sa bahay guys. Videoan ko na doon. It must be still biting, but I'm tired already, guys. Let's go. At least somebody order already, guys. Yeah, I can buy bread again. Okay, see you soon, guys. Alright, guys. This is it. From Toyota back to the Pantalan. And this is my EE. Little bit like 20 pieces or 30, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, like 25 pieces, guys. And by my puti, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. At least still have catchy today, guys, and not zero today. Yeah, but somebody already ordered this one. It's okay. At least we have to buy the bread again. Alright. See you soon, guys, and thank you for watching my video, and God bless you all. Okay, at least hindi tayo na zero ulit. Doon lang, guys, sa Pantalan, guys. Always I go Pantalan sa not maputi sometime, but I only this time catching good and last weekend, right?